Yeah, getting off to a good start, I see. Not the old friggy fridge. Oh man, still got ice in here too? Okay. Any food, anything in there to eat? Yeah, they left us a bottle of water. How kind. How kind. And we got the stove. Yep, got all the goodies inside. Let's load it up. Load it up. How you good people doing? Dumpster divers, eBayers, scrappers, scavengers, beings of all kind, known and unknown, loved ones, friends, family, extraterrestrials, all that good stuff. Am I the only one out here in the rain scrapping? Maybe, maybe not. But if so, at least I get to do it with some good people. How you doing? And get rid of that. Don't need that. All right, let's see. This was not too bad. Not too bad. Stay up. There we go. Who blocking me? Who blocking me? No one. Good. Take that. Put that over the edge. Walk it down. Perfecto. Now for you, Mr. Stove. No, I don't want to go. Gotta go. You got to go. We're sending you to the, what are those places? Scrapyard? Then the scrapyard sends you to the steel. Did it melt down? Steel? Is that what it is? I can't remember. I can't think right now. These things love to come out. They love to come out. All right. Get up there. I'm gonna lift you up. There we go. We're in business. We in business. Yeah, it's a nice, lovely day. Today, liquid sunshine. It's not raining at this very minute, but it's been raining on and off all day. So, you know, rain ain't gonna stop our joy. We're gonna get some scrap. So please come along. Ooh, what do we have here? Got the microwave. Microwave. It's full of all of the good goodies. But we don't want all of the good goodies. Not all of them. What else we got in here? Got a little stainless lid. Toss that in there. Try not to shake the camera too much. Been getting some intel back from some folks. Said the camera footage is shaky. Yeah, I know. Won't be long. I'll be doing the head harness soon. Right now I'm using the chest harness because it's just more convenient. But yeah, please bear with me, you good people. Got some nice aluminum screens to throw into the mix. This refrigerator want to keep sliding up, huh? It's all good. It's all good. We're gonna work it out. Boom! We rolling today, people. Yep, I saw you hiding around here. There you are. Beat up bed frame. Very beat up. Can we get it to fold? Yep, it folds. Smash it down some. Come on, cooperate. Gotta give you a little bit of struggle, you know? You know. Let me see. I think that'll stay. Yeah. Get that to stay. Anything else hiding? No. Nothing that I want. Nothing that I want. I see something by this dumpster, not sure what it is. Okay, it's a couple of televisions. I have to take the cord off of it. That one popped right out. And the other one we gotta cut, so I guess the new TVs got the cord. Can just pop out. But some insulated copper will do just fine for me. Let's go. My bad, y'all. Went behind the shopping center and guess there was a restaurant. Getting rid of some stuff, but got some nice stainless items from back there. I thought I had the camera rolling, but I didn't. I think that's aluminum. I think that's stainless. And there's a couple of other pieces in there with a little bit of BX and some wire and stuff, but I'm grateful. But yeah, forgot to turn the camera on. But it's all good. We're gonna get some more, see what else out here. Let's go. Yep, got the cord on it. Guess everybody's preparing for the holidays. Old TVs come out for the new ones, huh?
Yep, Black Friday's over.
Have a good one. Check the dumpster real quick, slick. Nothing going on in there. All right, keeping it moving. All right, I think I figured it out. We recording this time. Let's check this open top. All right, I see a screen door. Let me grab my hook, see if I can reach it with that. That way we don't have to jump in. Oh man, this thing. Oh man, came apart. Great. Now that's scrap. I'm going to climb in. All right. And an aluminum can. There's another one. All right. Well, the screen is already coming out, so I'll clean it up a little bit while we're here. Little bit of dirty extrusion. Which the scrapyard that I've been going to has been giving me clean sheet for it, which I don't mind. Save me the trouble of cleaning it when I don't feel like it. So much appreciated to them. All right, let's go see if we can find some more. Well, we're gonna call it there, good people. We got a pretty good load this evening. Found a lot of good scrap. Got the stove, the fridge. Got some aluminum extrusion. Picked up some stainless steel behind a shopping center from a restaurant. So grateful for that. Cut some wires. A lot of TVs and stuff that was out. Got wire from. Not all of it was on camera. And I missed the footage of, you know, getting this, what do you call it, restaurant equipment and everything. But it's all good. Those things happen. Bear with me. Still a work in progress. Want to give a shout out to all of my coworkers at work that has subscribed and viewed my videos and been supporting me. Much appreciation to y'all. Y'all know who y'all are. And I want to give a shout out to you good people for all of your support and viewership and comments and tips and tidbits. I had one subscriber reach out, and I guess she was inspired that, you know, now she wants to get into the scrapping game. And hey, a lot or a little, whatever you got, car, van, you know, you can start out small, cutting cords, getting little tidbits, collecting aluminum cans. It's a lot out here. Don't know if you guys got to got a chance to check out my short yesterday, but I got a pretty hefty load. It was up in the air and everything, so you can check that out. But the scrap is out here, people, and you know, the holidays are getting closer, so it's just gonna get that much better with people replacing a lot of items and stuff in their homes and at their residence and putting out the old stuff. And the old stuff is for us up for grabs to keep out the landfill and recycle these metals and everything and turn them into something useful other than filling up the landfills and everything. So appreciate you. Thank you for joining me on this scrapping adventure. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, leave comments, because I like interacting with you good people. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Can't talk right now. That notification bell for to get notified when I upload new videos. Man, I'm struggling, but it's all good. Yeah, but you guys have a great evening. I'm happy scrappy. Happy scrapping to y'all. Peace and love.